Have you heard of this very 1960s Bond girl? Or how about this movie and its terrible remake? What they both have in common is that second word comes to us from Gaelic. So galore comes from Galore in Gaelic, similar spelling in Irish, and it means plenty, sufficient, or enough. But of course there's other words that Gaelic has given English: whiskey, or as I'd call it, uisce beatha, which means water of life. A very accurate description, I would say. Over time, that term has been anglicised and shortened to whisky. You might be part of a clan. My mother's side is Clan MacDonald, for example. That word comes to English from the Gaelic clown, which means children or offspring. Any Drew McIntyre or Modern Warfare fans in the house? Well, the word claymore, which in these contexts is a super cool wrestling move, or an explosive device, is another Gaelic original coming from claimh mór, which translates to great or big sword, which is what it was. I'm loving it. Just do it, because you're worth it. All slogans, and that word slogan is a Gaelic original. The English language nicked it from slogan, which translates to battle cry.